What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to a brand new restocking video. I just wanted to really quickly before we start off say thank you so much. We just hit 100,000 followers on Instagram and I am completely shook. I just wanted to get that out there really quickly. I have been on Instagram for quite a while and it's kind of taken me a long time. Surprisingly, I've grown on YouTube faster than on Instagram. It's whatever, I'm not salty about it. I am just saying thank you so much. It's been such a great journey. I've learned a lot and it's just super crazy. So if you're not yet following me on Instagram, you should totally do that. It's at Unicorn Slime Shop. That is my Slime Shop's Instagram account. Just saying. Anyways, I'm super excited for this restock because this is the first restock that we are doing where it's not just slime. We actually have some merch out too, and I'm super excited for it. Y'all, we have really cool merch. We have pop sockets with our logo on it. We have some hats with our logo on it as well. There's also 2 different shirt designs that you can get in various sizes as well. So there's a shirt with our logo on it. There's also a shirt that says Shook with some slimy skulls on it as well. It's just really, really cool. You can get them up to, I think it's 2X, so an extra large. And we have all sizes stocked right now, so you should definitely go ahead and check it out. We also have some wristbands that are double-sided. So on one side it says Unicorn Slime Shop with some unicorns on there, and then on the other side there is little hearts, and then it says my name, JosephAnthonii. And then we also have some slime time aprons, which I'm super excited about. Honestly, those have me the most shook because they're super cool. They are actually aprons that you can use while you're making your slime, just so that you don't get the slime like all over your clothes. I know it kind of sounds lame, but it's actually really cool because it's made out of denim, so they're not going to shrink or fade on you because it is made with the material denim. They're almost like blue jeans basically, so it's really cool, and they are handmade, which is even cooler. So you're not getting it from a factory or anything like that. All of the merch pretty much is handmade except for the hats and for the pop sockets. So yeah, it's super cool. Okay, I almost forgot to mention, in celebration of us hitting 100,000 unicorns on Instagram, I thought it would be fun to throw some coupon codes at y'all. So at random points of the video, make sure you pay attention all the way till the end because you could snatch a coupon code for my shop. That way you can go ahead and get some slime, maybe for free, maybe $10, maybe $20, who knows. It's going to be completely random, and there are only a couple, one for each slime, so make sure you go ahead and check it out. Only one person can claim each code, so you want to be here fast, alright? So starting with the first slime, you know, we have to start off with the queen of the Unicorn Slime Shop, which is Chanel number 2. I love her so very freaking much. She is very thick, very glossy, scented just like Bubblicious bubblegum, not Bazooka, not Hubba Bubba, but Bubblicious, y'all. It's so good. I love her very much. You all went crazy for her over at the Slime Bash, and I can definitely see why. So you should definitely go ahead and try to pick this one up, as this one does sell faster than many of the other ones. Lemon Pound Cake is another slime that did really well at the Slime Bash as well. This is a new slime, so it's the first time that I'm ever stocking it in my shop, and it's really nice, crunchy, and bubbly with all of the foam beads. There are small yellow foam beads and large white foam beads just for added texture and crunch, and it smells just like its name, Lemon Pound Cake. It's so good. Literally will have you drooling everywhere. Dragonfruit Jelly is a jelly slime that is scented just like dragon fruit, and this is supposed to represent the actual inside of the dragon fruit. So you have the little black glitters to represent the seeds, and then it's kind of like opaque, just like a dragon fruit. It smells really, really good. If you never smelled dragon fruit before, you will love it, I promise you. Honeydew Haichu is a really nice clay slime that is scented just like honeydew candy, which smells really, really good. I love this one so much. It's very, very almost spreadable, yet very thick as well and holdable because there is some clay in there. It isn't Daiso clay though, so it's not like the soft type of clay slime. It's more of like the holdable and thick type of clay slime. It's really, really nice. There's a bunch of reviews out on this right now because I did take this one to the Slime Bash as well. So if you want to check it out, then you can go ahead and check out other people's videos on it if you want to see more of this baby in action. I definitely want to do more of the Haichu slimes because Haichu is like one of my favorite candies. So let me know which flavor I should do down in the comment section down below. Candy Floss is a really nice in-between hybrid kind of a cloud slime and a cloud dough. It does have a drizzle to it. You just have to really work at it and kind of knead it together, you know what I'm saying? But it's really, really nice. It comes with a random candy charm and it's just super, super cute, scented like cotton candy. And there's a bunch of pink glitters on there as well, just to represent the blue and the pink cotton candy. That's kind of what I was going for. Really, really nice, and was also a big hit at the Slime Bash, and I just loved it. Detox Water has become a staple here at the Unicorn Slime Shop. Every time I forget to restock it, you all quickly remind me that I should bring it back. So here it is. I brought it to the Slime Bash and you all loved it as well. It's a really, really thick, clear slime with Fimo slices in there to represent the fruit. And then it also comes with a random fruit charm. It will come with one. There's 4 in this video here, but this was actually a video for Instagram. So if you're following me on Instagram, you probably saw this video already, but she is thick and she is gorgeous, isn't she? Bejeweled is another slime that I love stocking in my shop. It is a clear base slime with a bunch of fishbowl beads. There are clear fishbowl beads like the regular kind, and then there are also rainbow fishbowl beads in there as well, just to add some color and give to the name effect. You know, Bejeweled is the game with all the jewels in there, so that's just what it's meant to look like. It's really thick, really nice and bubbly because of all the fishbowl beads and crunchy. It's just really good, and it's unscented, so if you have a scent allergy just like Detox Water, this one here is good for you. Alrighty, well that was pretty much it for this restock. I really hope you all enjoyed it and found something that you would like to purchase. Don't forget that this is the first restock where we are including merchandise. So we have the pop sockets, we have shirts, we have hats, we have wristbands, and slime aprons. Like, come on. So yeah, if you want to go ahead and shop the video, you can just head over to the description box down below and you will see the link to my shop down there. It is unicornslime.com with 2 eyes and unicorn, of course, because we gotta have that. That's kind of the theme around here, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, thank you all so much for watching. I love you very, very freaking much, and I will see you all next time. Bye!